How do? Morning after the night before. Ooh, what a night that were. Last night was just to show you how crazy these people are, honestly. Good fun, good fun. A lot of air guitaring going on. First night at camper. Oof, bit rough actually. Cushions, a bit too hard, but I suppose they'll give in time. Just about to give bacon butties out. I'm going to make some bacon butties with my big pan. Sandra's gone for shower. I've had my shower. Showers here, excellent, absolutely brilliant. I'll do a bit of review before I leave tomorrow anyway. Right, so it's on with the bacon butts. Saturday morning. Breakfast for rebels. George is there, look, with his tongue hanging out. Look at them all wandering around, waiting to be fed. Animals. A whole lot of them. Dee-dee-dee. Woof woof. No better to do. YouTube. Do do do. Hey up. Battle, battle. Fight, fight. Dave. Some bacon here. Bacon butties. Come on. Come on, Steve.
Yeah, go on then. Talk me into it, mate. Come on. I didn't recognise.
Are you in Somali?
There, you know, because normally I always see him with his head shaved. That's why. I was like, who's that? And then I was like, oh yeah.
I'm not shaving my head until Van's finished.
That's with the camera. I looked at the van and I was like, oh yeah, that's what. At first when I drove in, I was like, oh, Terry's here. At first.
All right. Well, everybody's been fed. Going into Whittingham for the carnival. But unfortunately, it is pissing down again. Oh, we do have car boot. Yeah, look. There, look at that lot. Yeah. Everybody's wet through. I've been out to have a look around. There's some good stuff there actually. Barney. He's selling some stuff. He's got a satellite dish as well. And Brian, I don't know his last name. And I forgot his name on the club. But he's got one of those barbecues. You know, those 3-tier things. Well, all that there, water carrier. So if you need out, just give him a shout online. Yeah, so anyway, we're going to get ready to go to the carnival. Now, what it's going to be like, I don't know. Especially this weather. Yeah, I'm feeling a lot better than I did this morning. A few bacon butties, mushrooms, black pudding. Ooh, black pudding. Right, so, see you later.